The RQ-7 Shadow is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by AAI Corporation, now a part of Textron Systems. It's primarily used for reconnaissance, surveillance, target acquisition, and battle damage assessment.
Capabilities of the RQ-7 Shadow.
The Shadow UAV is a relatively small and lightweight aircraft designed for portability and ease of deployment. It typically features a high-wing monoplane design with a twin-boom configuration. Its airframe is constructed primarily of composite materials, which contribute to its durability and light weight. Length, approximately 11 feet, 3.4 meters, wingspan, around 14 feet, 4.3 meters, weight, typically under 200 pounds, 90 kilograms, endurance, several hours, depending on mission configuration and payload, speed, cruising speed of approximately 100 knots, 115 miles per hour or 185 kilometers per hour, range, up to 50 kilometers, 31 miles, payload, typically equipped with electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR, cameras for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The Shadow UAV is equipped with various sensors and payloads to fulfill its reconnaissance and surveillance roles. These payloads often include EO/IR cameras, provide real-time video imagery, allowing operators to observe targets in areas of interest, laser designators, enable the marking of targets for precision-guided munitions or other assets. Synthetic aperture radar, SAR, allows for all-weather reconnaissance capabilities, penetrating clouds and darkness to provide high-resolution images. The RQ-7 Shadow is primarily used for reconnaissance and surveillance, gathering intelligence on enemy positions, activities, and terrain features, target acquisition, identifying and tracking potential targets for ground forces or other military assets, battle damage assessment, assessing the effectiveness of military strikes and evaluating the outcome of engagements. The Shadow has been utilized by the United States Army and Marine Corps, as well as by other military forces around the world.